Okay, I just made a copy of F1632 EAF and I changed it to, renamed it to RF. So now, you probably already did all this, but I'm just gonna go through the whole thing and then I'll put a minute number marker on where I think you're stuck. Anyways, so got that. So we go to units, squadrons, find F16 EAF. Yep. And change all these to my new RF. Edit element. Okay. Ah. Okay, that was squadrons. Now we do flights. Same thing. F16, F16, 32 EAF. Okay, that's done. Now we have to give it a new specific. We don't want it to have the same specific as the other. So what we do is we look for the latest specific number. It's like 96 for the F5F. Well, this is your database will be different, but you find the latest jet specific and you do the next one, and it's in this case 97. So back to latest. and change this 65 to 97. Okay, in all three places. Got the flight, squadron, and unit itself. 897. Okay, and here's where I think you hit the test database thing and showed up an error. Don't pay attention to all these. This is just some tests. But squadron and corresponding flight are using different specific types. I couldn't see what you posted, but I bet you this is it. What you do is click on the error and go to select squadron and go down to latest one, which is our new F-16C 32, and you test the database again and that error disappears. Okay, so it's in the database now. You got to put it into the you want to see it in the user interface, you have to do some other stuff. Go to Art, User, oh no, Art, Main, Units, and Text IDs is the next one we'll do. Okay. Go to the end of it and just make a copy. Hold on, it's locked up. Just make a new line exactly like the other and change the names to what you want it to be. This is the name that's going to show up in the user interface. Okay. All right. Let's see. What does the F-16 EMF look like? EAF look like? I don't know. We'll just change it to whatever. F-16 red flag. That's what I'll call it. You can call it whatever. Okay. How they look. Okay. F-16C 32. This what will show up in the user interface right here. Okay. Now go to text IDs. Go to, well, not the bottom, but go to where the jets end. The last one in this case is a P2 in this database, but it will be different everywhere else. So what we do is we copy this. This is the tag for that. So you say copy that and put this here. And this is the unique number that's going to go into the TE planes list in the campaign folder. And in this case, it's going to be 633. And you just make sure it's unique because there can't be two of them. Find all in current document. There's only one, so that's fine. So we'll save that. Now we go to campaign. TE planes. There's one step in the sim AC data. If it's taking a new AC data, you can make a new one there. But if you're just using the same flight model and all that as the other one, then it's fine. So we'll skip that for now. But straight on to valid AC. Got to add this to 235. And let's see, what is the F-16? Okay. It's a 9 fighter bomber. So that's basically all you need to know is 9 fighter bomber and specific 97. So all these 9s, this one ends at 87. So basically all you got to do is copy this line, add a new one, and change this to 97, which this is fighter bomber specific 97. Okay, and we already changed the number at the top to add a new fighter bomber. So save that. Go to TE planes. And want to put it right by the other F-16. Okay, here we are. Make a copy of this line and paste it right below. This is going to be RF for red flag. I don't know what I want to do it for, but anyways, change this 65 to 97. And this has to be a unique number. We'll get to that. This is the text ID that's going to show up in the user interface. So that was 633. Change this to 633. This is the picture of what the F-16 looks like. Picking it out. And this is a dogfight number. I'm not going to get into dogfight, but it has to be unique. So basically, just have to make a number here that isn't already here. And I'll just put a 2 here instead of 1 and see how that goes. But you can link this up to the dogfight mode later. Okay, I'm just going to see if it's in here. Nope, it's the only one, so that's good. We got a unique dogfight number if somebody wants to develop that later into dogfight mode. Okay. And so now if you load the game, you will have the F-16 red flag instead of EAF. It should be right below the other Block 32. There it is. And to get the radar, I'm not sure. You go to, I guess, you change the radar here to what, change the radar here to what the MiG-29 uses, or think uh, I don't know. You'll have to ask someone else about the radar because I'm not positive about it. But CCC has said it before, and I've just typed in whatever he said. But anyways, that's how you get the thing to show up in your user interface.